Recovering from a toxic relationship requires a lot of time and getting to know yourself better and staying the course, staying in the recovery process. As a therapist, I've seen lots of people rebuild their lives after toxic relationships, and you can too. First, focus on yourself. You're the priority here. If you have children, they are best served by a healthy parent. Also, reflect on your past and look for reasons why you stayed in a toxic relationship. You could have old limiting beliefs from your childhood that could have put you at risk. So, you need to look to your family you grew up in to determine if there are similarities with your life in the present. Self reflection, really looking at your life and the deeper reasons why you stayed in the relationship, can be very powerful. It can also help you determine what to look for in future relationships. Another thing, get involved in activities that bring you joy and surround yourself with nurturing relationships, people who care about you and support you. And remember that healing takes time. So be patient with yourself and celebrate each step and the progress that you make, no matter how small.